Hello, today I'm gonna show you the website college management system project Python language. That's I'm working with the Django framework website. Let's see. First, the project idea. I'm gonna tell you about the Django because this project I'm working with Django, HTML and Bootstrap. So the Django is a Python framework to make a website. The Django framework is a Python web framework and is used in the backend work, backend stuff, and that means we can use it to build our website. It's a better choice to use Django framework to make a website because it can let we use the less code line and easier to coding and run the website faster than the another framework. First, the project idea that can be the website managed system and attendance system work with the university and show scores and show notice. That's notice to the student by teacher and make easier to attend the class and collect more data of people in college and easier to manage. So in the left hand that you see is a Django framework look like on we start the project, and this is the functions. So I'm classify is into the three category. The first category is a student, teacher and admin section. So student can sign up as a admission to attend the class and then attend a class and select the major, select the subject, like select the engineering, select the computer, select the science, like this, and can access their own dashboard, can see the noise from teacher, see their own fee, and can see friend in the class. So the teacher section can also apply for job. Teacher can access their dashboard, can take attendance of any class, can make a noise notice to student like tomorrow we have an exam, tomorrow we have a makeup class, something like that, and can check attendance of student, can see friend, can see the student in the class. So the admin section can see how many students can approve who admission it, like the teacher wanna find the job, wanna admit the job, and students wanna admission and attend the class. Admin is whoever to approve them, and admin can see how many teacher in the college, can acknowledge to like a teacher, can see the detail of student and manage everything on the website. Next, the section of coding project. So on the left hand, in the picture on the left hand, this is the section of the code, like we divide that on the three section, like model view template is like a backend of framework section. The model view template is a process of create a website with Django. I think a lot of you have heard about MVC model view controller from the HTML or CSS or the other framework, but Django we call it model view template. So the MVC model view template That's explaining in this picture is called Django architecture. It's like a flowchart that's gonna make you easier to understanding. So I'm gonna explain you about this a little bit. I think that's gonna make you easier to understanding of this logic. So first, user work with the Django framework. I think yes, we can imagine the Django is like a bus, and we catch the bus like the bus is a Django bus. We catch it, we take it, and it send us to the URL. URL is like on the top of this website of ever whatever website is like a example you www.youtube.com google.com like that. And when we be on a URL and then send us to the view model template MVG. All of this is like a backend stuff, and all of this is like a front end stuff, and we use the URL to control the backend and front end belong together, and we move past to the view, and it's like a we being on the backend stuff. Backend stuff work with the view model template. And if you wondering what is the view, what is the model, what is template, you can imagine that like I have some tips to make you easier to understanding. I have a signature word, I have a hook word to understanding. I'll tell you like view. You can remember it. View is like a logic, model is like a database, template is like a layout. You can remember it's like a view. Oh, view is working with logic. Oh, model working with the database. Oh, template is like a layout. That's it. That's all. And when three of these working belong together, finish work, and then them respond to the user as we see on the home page, we see on the any page. That's how them working. So this is before you getting start with the project, you have to install the virtual environment. The virtual environment is like the world we create the world, because when the Python is like this box, the Django is like a this box. We have to create the virtual environment to connect connect the Python in our computer to the server in the Django framework. By virtual environment can connect everything together. So after we installing, then we have to activate it. After we activate it, it's gonna show you like env on this, and then that's it. And then you can run the server by type in the python manage.py run server, and this is the localhost html http. You copy this link and paste on whatever explorer you want, and then this is the some code of my project, and I'll explain to you the detail of this code on the next part, and I'll show you a little bit of this code before we see together. And this is my website. You see that on the left hand you see the home page. I've called it at a Star University, and you see the sign up as student, and the right hand is a student dashboard. As I told you previously, my dashboard, bill attendance, the name, contact, role, fee, as I told you before. So the next thing, I'm gonna explain the detail of my code. Let's see together.